Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. So, another listing, guys. Another listing. This is 2 hectares or 20,000 square meters for 350 pesos per square meter. Located in Barangay Cantatac, Corillia, Bohol. This is part of Corillia, Bohol. Approximately 12 to 15 minutes drive from Tagbilaran City. So, meaning this is very close from Tagbilaran City. And it has assorted trees. Elevated, no? Elevated. Going uphill. So, paingon sa ibabaw ang iyahang pagka-elevated, guys. Slightly lang yun, slightly. Ang iyang pagka-elevated. Water and electricity are available. Signal. Cellphone signal. Wi-Fi ta dire, guys. Wi-Fi. Watay cellphone nga pang-calling. Wi-Fi and Messenger. Na ay mga linya sa Wi-Fi dire. Manigi pauso dire sa mga tao. Kay murag wala pag yun kaabot ang signal nga normal nga signal. Pero na ay mga linya sa Wi-Fi. So again, the property is located in Corillia, Bohol, near Tagbilaran City. From Panglao Airport, approximately 30 to 40 minutes drive. So, Bohol Panglao International Airport. Mo na siya, guys, no? Then, as you can see, there are so many trees. Coconut trees, no? Daghan siya lubi. Ideal for ecotourism, no? Maghimo ka diri mga balay for tourists, pwede kayo kay kuan man ni siya na may daghang nag mountain resort dire style. Nya, Corillia is a source of water in Tagbilaran City and Panglao Airport. So, meaning, no problem with the water there, guys. Nindot kayo. No? So, very nice. The good thing lang yun kay dool siya sa Tagbilaran City. The neighborhood, there are so many neighborhood. Mga distansya lang po gamay. And there is also a neighbor beside of the property. So, money ang sitwasyon sa property, guys, no? Kini-kini yun. So, makita na to. So, this is 2 hectares, 2 ka hektarya. See? Nindot kayo, 2 ka hektarya na diri sa Corillia, near Tagbilaran City. Cold place. So, bugnaw ang lugar, kay daghan og kahoy. There's so many trees. Why I can see cold? Because of the trees around the area. So, this is our website, www.propertyph.net. Then, if you have properties for sale, just let me know. Help sell your property. So, I can help sell your property. So, mana siya, guys, no? Rough road pa siya, but according to the people around, there's supposed to be they're gonna be concrete road soon. So, mana siya, guys. So, kung naana mo yung mga property gusto ibaligya, just let me know lang yun, no? Again, the property we are selling is 2 hectares or 20,000 square meters. Clean title, no? Located in Corillia, Bohol. Somewhere in Cantatac, Barangay Cantatac. So, that is the neighbor, guys. So, kuhan sana. So, dool na lang yun na siya. Daghan og neighbors dire. Kita na tong solar farm to sunahan, no? Just contact me. Call ninyo humawas katurusa sa mga ang kuan full name sa atong Facebook o kuan